Hey there, in this video we're gonna look at how to delete a project on GitHub. For example, if you already have an organization, or if you have any repository. For example, I'm going to take a repository right now which I'm currently managing. So over here and go to, oh, you can't go to here. So what I will be doing is, like, this is a private repository, so you won't be able to see and come inside. So for example, for an analysis, I'm just showing you. So this is like a timeline which we have created for the last program, and this has to be completely done. You can see over here. Now I want to delete it. So the straightaway approach is, like, you can delete it right over here. So you can click on this particular project and you can go into the three dots over here and click on settings, scroll down over here in the danger zone and click on delete, and you gotta type exactly like how it looks like right now. KVs cheese soak 24 timeline. So let's see what's wrong in this one. So oh, I missed an act. All right, so once you did this, that particular project has been removed from here. Now in the last video you learned about why it is important to have a project and how it is very helpful for you to manage your particular team. Right now the project has been completely gone from here. Now the next video I'll be showing you how to create a project and why we are using project inside the particular GitHub page. All right, thank you for watching this video.